Everyone wants to look young, but how young? 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years younger?
The new SK2 Skin Power Advanced Cream acts like a seed of youth for firm, radiant, ever-blooming skin. 10 years younger? Let's see.
Don't second guess, we live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment,
Wow, my skin's texture, pores, fine lines and firmness, unbelievable. It targets the aging trigger factor X0 and stimulates new skin regeneration for up to 10 years younger looking skin. Powered by Pitera and SK2's latest multi-firm technology, which promotes skin firmness and elasticity, tackles aging signs from the root for youthful looking skin. Achieve 10 years younger looking skin with SK2 Skin Power Advanced Cream by visiting SK2 counters or shop.
Life is our game.